Hey y'all, it's your favorite Celina Realtor, Nicole, and I am at Buffalo Ridge to tour your house that's under construction. And I know you guys are in town this week, but I'm still making the video because it's so pretty and I know other people that are watching are wanting to see. So you have brick and they should be finished with the sheetrock, the texture on the walls and stuff inside. So let's go check it out. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, guys, you have garage doors. You have your brick, looks to be completely finished, and the rest that they're doing now is stone. Oh, I love the color combination you chose. This is so pretty. Okay, trying to balance my way through this. Well, this is gonna be fun. Get through all this scaffolding to get inside. See what we can see. Do not recommend doing this. It's only for professionals. This ain't my first rodeo though. Okay. Oh, they do have the texture up. Oh wow, can you see? I think that will come through on the video just fine. Yep, so that's your typical knockdown texture or orange peel. So now all I have to do is come in and paint. Oh, look what else they did. They have your trim work. Oh, love it. I think that's your 5 3/4 inch baseboard. And they got, I think the tubs were in last time, weren't they? Ugh, I'm getting old, my memory's going quickly, but it's looking good. Awesome, doors are in. Love that. Yes, okay, let's check out the other secondary bedroom. Or the two front ones, and then you have the third secondary bedroom that we'll look at soon. Looking very, very good. Remember, the closets in all of these were identical, so. Wow, very pretty. Okay. And then your third and final secondary bedroom. Let's go back in here. Awesome. Yes, 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 that's looking amazing. Oh, and they even have closet shelving, and it's ready for rods and everything. That's awesome. Very good. Other bathroom, full bath and laundry. Perfect. And now to the heart of the home. Nice, grand, large entryway. Kitchen. Beautiful. Oh, it looks good. Okay. And sweeping around to the living area, fireplace, little office nook, little butler counter pantry area. And now for the master. I love how this comes together. It comes together so quickly as we get to this point and move forward. So yeah, you know what? I remember the bathtubs were here last time. Yay, I'm not as old as I thought. Huh. Awesome. Yes, and the master closet has shelves. Very nice. Yeah, lots and lots of storage space in here. That is fantastic. And then it even goes around in that little peekaboo corner. Love it. It's a great size closet. Very cool. Let's check out the back patio. Little coat closet. walk out in the backyard and see what we can see from the rear of the house. Make sure they did actually finish all the brick. It wasn't just the front. Ooh. See all this construction back here? That's phase 3 that they're working on right now. They are developing all of that. Phase 2 is currently under construction with houses and everything. So for those of you watching that want to live in this adorable little boutique community, there are 60 homes under construction right now. So they did finish the brick, guys. It looks so good. So good. Yeah. The sidewalk. Just check the side of that house real quick too while I'm out here. Yep. Man, they did this fast, and we had some bad weather this week, so hang on, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, we had some bad weather this week, and they just started this last weekend. I am shocked that they were able to get it all done. I mean, these guys are on a mission to get you in this house ASAP. Love it. Awesome. So as I was saying before, to anybody else that's watching that's curious about this neighborhood, you guys, it is, I feel like, one of the best kept secrets in Celina. Not everybody knows about it because it's kind of hidden behind everything, but you are so conveniently located near 289 or Preston, and the high school is right behind me. I mean, you talk about your small town charm. You can hear the band practicing in the fall. You can hear the football team practicing, the track people. I mean, all of the sports and everything are just right there. So very, very cool. So yes, phase 2 is under construction now. There are 60 homes right now, 60 inventory homes, might I add, that will be on the market if they're not already listed. Then I can get you a sheet that tells you everything that's for sale right now, and they start in the high 2s. It's a really great bargain for what you can get here. So other than that, you guys, I will be back next week or two. We'll see how much that they get done between now and then. I need to check with Sharon, the awesome sales counselor here, to see what's next on the agenda. My guess would be the tile and plumbing fixtures in the bathrooms. So, all right, until next time, I hope you guys stay happy and healthy and safe, and God bless. Bye.